Yes, I think that's going to be good. For me, I'm training dancers to become teachers one day, yeah, and to carry on the traditions that were taught to me through my kumu, and pass on a little what I know of her kumu before her, yeah. I'm a school teacher also, yeah, and I teach hula at the Kamaili Academy, and for me, hula gets to live through that because not all schools have hula, and I emphasize to the children how hula is not just dancing. There's stories, there's feelings that go behind it. There's mana'o, of course, like the definition we've been given is hula is the art of Hawaiian dance that expresses what we see, feel, hear, touch, and feel inside too. Yeah. For me, I have an opportunity to let it continue living and sharing it with the students at school, but also the students in my Hālau. Yeah. So I think it's going to continue. And if we teach them to appreciate it when they're young, not just getting up and just dancing, but there's more to it. Yeah. More to hula.